Let's go ahead and get started by importing the assets that we're going to use for Star Crash. So let's go ahead and create a brand new composition by going to the Composition menu and choosing New Composition. Now, all along during this tutorial, I didn't talk about how to set a duration because at that point we really didn't need to know how to do that. But for this particular lesson, we're going to make a duration that's 30 seconds here, as you can see. Don't forget the last two numbers are our frames, and this would represent the seconds, minutes, and hours. So just go ahead and take whatever value you have in the second point here and turn that to a 3.0, and that will give us our 30 seconds in our timeline. Now the voiceover is approximately 25 seconds long, which is great. So let's go ahead now and bring all of the assets into the application. So I'm going to right click in the project panel. I'll choose Import File. I'll go to the Star Crash folder, and I'm going to bring in the logo. And on my keyboard, I'm going to hold down the Command or Control key to click on the other elements that I want to bring in. Now, this is another way of bringing in multiple files as opposed to using the multiple files option. So once again, holding down Command or Control, I'll bring in the saucer, the planet, the logo, the star field, and the voiceover. I'll go ahead and open, and here are our files. Now, if we had a whole lot of different elements, I would really suggest organizing them. But since we do have 3 PNGs, or actually 4, we can feel free to put them in a folder. So I'll go ahead and create a new folder, and we'll call it Images. We'll go ahead and drag all of the elements that are PNGs into the Images folder. And just to get into good practices, we're going to go ahead and create a folder for the audio as well. And we'll drag the audio into the audio folder. Now, as you can see here, the audio as well as the PNGs both have different colors. The folders are indicated with yellow, the voiceover is this green color, and the images are this purple color. But these are too close for me, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the swatch here for the voiceover, and I'm going to make it something a little easier to see, like, let's see here, a dark green. So it's a little bit more distinct for me. Now that we have all of our elements inside of the application, we're ready now to bring our components into the timeline.